I want to showcase what is possible to do with AI tools. As a product owner, product manager, you're responsible for creating user stories for the team, for developers. I created an AI agent that captures an audio file with a user story, transcribes it into a Trello card here with the specifications for the user story. Let's go over the audio file that I created. It's just an example with two user stories descriptions. Okay, so just to test this, let's say there's a user story where we're going to create a form, very basic form, where the user inputs first name, last name, email, and we want to persist this story in a MySQL database once the user hits submit. So we just need to create the vertical stack for that, the UI with this form, and the connection with a post to the database once the user hits submit. The second story is once we have the data in the database, we want to fetch that data and send an email to the user confirming that they have submitted their information, their first name, last name, and email. So as you've noticed, I talked about these two user stories in a way that is not necessarily structured. And this is critical for us to see, what is the AI doing. In this case, it's 4.0 Mini, a OpenAI 4.0 Mini model. What is it doing to this conversation that is not necessarily structured? So I'm going to drop this MP3 file here. And this folder in my Google Drive is being watched for no files. And once the system recognizes there is a new file, it's going to create the story for us. There's a few limitations. The file cannot be larger than 25 megabytes. Unfortunately, I wish it could capture a whole conversation an hour long and just create a bunch of stories for us. But at the moment, we can only work with what we have, which is this file size limitation. And we should see the story coming along soon enough. We're watching for the file in that folder. We're going to create it based on the information on the file. Is going to be transcribed. We're going to populate that information in that Google Sheets that you see next to this Trello board here. And we're going to have the two user stories. So we have the first one here. As a user, I want to submit a basic form to persist my information in a MySQL database so that I can be registered. It pretty much goes over the description of the first story. And I'm just going to read the AC here, which is given the user has filled out the form, when the user hits submit, the user's information should be saved in the database. And then the second one, as a user, I receive a confirmation email after submitting my information so that I know my submission was successful. And the AC for this one is given the user information is stored in the database, when the data is fetched, a confirmation email should be sent to the user. So as you can see, one way to use an AI automation, an AI tool to speed up a little bit of the work. Unfortunately, like I said, there is that file size limit for the audio, but this goes to show that there's so much more that we can do with AI that can make our life a little bit easier. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.